How to create viral TikTok videos with AI. In this video, we're going to be talking about TikTok and how you can create videos with it in the easiest and most simplest way with AI. And the best part about using AI to create viral videos for yourself is that you can do it in a bulk and you can do it excessively. Okay, so in one day, you can upload up to 10 to 20 videos if you're up for it. And the platform that we're talking about is Invideo AI. And if you want to use Invideo AI and its plus features for yourself, then you're definitely going to want to check the link down in the description below. Okay, if you click the link in the description, you're going to come over to Invideo AI and you're going to be granted with the plus features if you sign up using my link. Now, once you have done all of that and you're right into Invideo AI, to start creating actual viral videos for your TikTok, you're going to come over to create AI video. Now, once you've done that, you're going to come right over to explore all. And once you're over here, what you're going to do is you're going to choose whatever type of video you want to go with. So definitely we're going to go with TikTok video. Now, what you're going to do over here is you're actually going to add an interesting prompt. So I'm going to add this prompt about the wonders of the world. It's a pretty big prompt that I've generated. So create a visually stunning, informative, and cinematic video showcasing the top 10 wonders of the world. Each wonder should be introduced with dynamic animations and label text. Show breathtaking and unique transitions, smooth transitions, cinematic color grading style, etc. So I've added a lot of descriptive stuff in this. Now, the background music, let's go with, if it's about the wonders of the world, let's go with upbeat, and let's go with upbeat and classical. Upbeat and classical. That's a good scheme to add. And once we've done that, you can choose the language as well. I'm gonna go with English, and you can write if you want any, type of subtle humor in your videos, you can add that as well. I'm gonna keep that blank right now. I don't want any humor. And here are the settings. So use a whatever voice you want to go with. I'm going to go with a male voice. Okay. Let's with a New Yorker accent. Okay. So we're going to go with add bold subtitles with popping effect. You can add your very own watermark to the videos as well if you want to. I'm not going to do that for now, but you can add that if that is your cup of tea. And once we've done that, here it's going to say use iStock as needed, use fewer iStock, give iStock preference, or only use iStock. I'm going to go with as needed because that's the best I think it can keep on. And once you've done all of that, you're going to click on continue. And once you click on continue, simply click on generate a video. And as you can see, it starts generating. Now, the whole thing about viral videos is that you're going to need to make sure that the topic is fun, something people would actually watch. So, it's top 10 wonders of the world. Who wouldn't like to watch that? If they're doom scrolling in their spare time, they come across this video, they're definitely going to watch it. And obviously, you're going to want to be sure to be as descriptive as possible, because the more descriptive you are, the better your video is going to be. Now, here it's going to give you the audience. Okay, the audience can be travel enthusiasts, history buffs, or adventure seekers. Let's go with adventure seekers because that's much cooler. Look and feel, let's make it cinematic. Or, you know what, let's keep it epic. And platform, obviously, TikTok, because that is what we're doing this for. So once we have done that, as you can see, it takes us into the analyzing of the video. Okay, so you can see it's a pretty quick step process. It doesn't take you a lot of time to get to this part. You simply add in a few prompts, and from there it takes you into the generation of the actual video. Pretty, pretty fast and pretty simple. Now, while this video is being generated, you can ask them to notify you when, the video is ready, and you can simply back out of here. But I'm going to keep staying over here, go to notify when ready. And we're simply going to wait for it. We're simply going to wait for the video to actually be done. And once it's done, we can actually go ahead with it. And the best part about Invideo AI is that you can actually post edit it. So let me show you what that is all about as well. But before that, again, if you want to go ahead and create prompts just like these and generate AI videos for yourself on the Plus plan, do make sure to check the link down in the description below right now, because that will avail you to an offer you won't like to miss. It is a limited time offer, and you are definitely going to want to avail that for yourself right now. So Once we have gone through the link in the description, you're going to get all these suites of features and you can see how immaculate they are. So once this video is done analyzing, we're going to watch through the video and we're going to see if they actually captured what we're looking for, if it actually has what it takes to be a viral video, and what we can actually do in the post edit. Now, once the video is done exporting, it's going to give you a preview like this. It's under 1 minute, which is perfect for TikTok. You can go ahead and increase the resolution as well. So
Are
let's
you
go ahead
ready
and
to
watch it.
uncover the most jaw-dropping wonders of the world in just 60 seconds? Let's kick things off with the Great Wall of China. This colossal dragon stretches over 13,000 miles. Next up, Petra in Jordan. Carved into vibrant red rock, it's like stepping into another world. Moving on to Christ the Redeemer in Brazil. This towering statue blesses Rio from above. Now to Peru's Machu Picchu. Perched in the Andes, it's a marvel of ancient engineering. Feeling adventurous yet? We're halfway there with Chichen Itza in Mexico, home to the iconic El Castillo pyramid. Then we jet to the Colosseum in Italy. Gladiators, anyone? On to the Taj Mahal in India, a love letter in marble. And we can't forget the Great Pyramid of Giza in Egypt, the only ancient wonder.
So you can pretty much see that it has been a good generation. Okay, I'd say I would be, glad with these results. The texting is amazing. The videos that they're using in the background is amazing. The different and similar cuts. If you want to change anything about this, don't worry. You can do that. So you can either add a prompt and generate it again. Okay, so make this chapter half as long, make subtitles appear at the bottom, change current stock on a video drone shot of a forest, something like that. Or you can click on edit and you can actually edit the individual things going on in this. Okay, so individually with every 3 to 4 seconds, you can edit that. You can also edit the script. You can edit the actual music that they've used in it and so on. Okay, that's the amazing part about using Invideo AI. And if you want to use Invideo AI for yourself, again, do make sure to check the link down in the description below. Do not miss out on this offer because it is limited time. But yeah, generally that's the main idea of Invideo AI and how you can use this software for yourself and give yourself the greatest AI generations that you can fathom, okay? And this is how you can create viral TikTok videos as well with AI. So yeah, that's the main idea of this whole video. If you enjoyed watching, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.